Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And welcome to our channel, Strong in Retirement. Today we're going to take a trip in our Honda Element Ecamper. It's a 2005 Honda with an aftermarket tent on top that was installed by Ursa Minor in Chula, Vista, California. So this we take when we're just doing shorter trips rather than taking the big motorhome that's behind us. This is a lot more gas friendly. So come along with us and we'll show you some features of the Honda Element once we get to the location where we'll be setting it up.
What are you doing in here?
Say hi, Lori.
Hi. Hi, Bill.
Where are you?
I'm inside our little house in the Ecamper.
So,
just resting and reading.
yes,
away
she's
from the wind.
just relaxing. We're here in Chula at the Water Wheel RV Park. And so this is what the upstairs looks like in the Element Ecamper. The Ecamper is an aftermarket top that's manufactured and put on by Ursa Minor in Chula Vista, California. And we have light. We have reading lights, and we even have a place for a cell phone charger. So here is the Ecamper in its up configuration. And while we're at a campground that has showers, really nice showers, and toilets, flush toilets, we like to carry our porta potty with us for those times where we're at a campground that doesn't have those type of facilities. And then what I do is I cover the windows reflectix. And I use that blanket there as a curtain, and then I use the reflectix on the windows. And the way I do it, I just cut them out to the shape. And then you probably can't see, but there are little Velcro tabs that I use to secure it. And so then when you're looking in from the front, you can't see that back area, so you get the privacy for changing and using the porta potty. So this is the Honda Element with the Ecamper aftermarket pop-up tent, 58 inches wide up there by 7 feet long, has a 2-inch foam pad. We each use a sleeping bag and a down comforter. We also have thermarest pads, really thin ones. Today is the first time. Tonight we're going to see if we can not use the thermarest pads if the 2 inches enough cushion, because then that means that's one less thing we have to take with us. So we're going to be doing more videos around our Honda Element Ecamper as we go places. Again, we have the Class A motorhome, but for shorter trips, we're just going to camp out of the Ecamper and save some fuel. Okay, well, time for us to head home. We've been here a couple nights in the Honda Element Ecamper. So until next time, thanks again for checking out our channel. Bye.
Bye.